is a basic need of every individual, and human beings are always experimenting on this. Clothes were in fashion all the time, so let's understand the timeline of clothing.
Clothing goes back 500,000 years ago. Early humans used large leaves to cover their body. With time, it's seen that they used weapons to hunt down animals and used their skin to wrap themselves. As we can see, this early human has used a leopard skin to cover his body. Later, when humans migrated to different regions, they used animal fur to keep themselves warm from bitter cold. As we can see, this early human has used an animal fur to cover his body. This was the discovery of clothing. Soon, early men figured out how to punch holes on animal fur, and they used thin animal skin strips to tie together. They even punched holes to put head, hands, and legs, which looked much better than hanging clothes.
Gradually, people learned about agriculture. The early Indians grew the cotton plant near River Ganga and wore fabric made of cotton. Later, with the invention of needle, people started stitching clothes. So, natural fibers were used thousands of years back. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Linen, cotton, jute and coir are few examples of plant fiber, and silk and wool are examples of animal fiber.
This is the timeline of natural fiber. In plant fiber, linen was discovered from flax plant in 8000 BC. Cotton was discovered from cotton plant in 5000 BC. Jute was discovered from jute plant in 3000 BC. And coir was discovered from coconut in 1300 AD. And in animal fiber, silk was discovered from silkworm in 4000 BC, and wool was discovered from sheep in 1500 BC. We Indians like wearing ethnic dress on special occasions. The texture and beauty of the fabric grabs a lot of attention and appreciation. What is this fabric? It's silk. Here we can see the villager is wearing clothes made up of silk. But silk, it comes at the cost of a life, the life of a silkworm. Silk is an animal fiber obtained from silkworms. The silkworms are reared in special farms. The practice of rearing silkworms are called sericulture. It is a very expensive, smooth and strong fiber. A silk rope is equally as strong as a metal wire. Chinese were the first to discover the silk in 4000 BC. Its evidence were found in Yashou culture. From the Chinese, the secret spread to Koreans, to Japanese, and then to Indians. And that's how silk fabric came to existence in India. The region where the climate is extremely cold, people use the fabric wool. Wool is an animal fiber obtained from sheep, yak, and other animals which have fur. The wool fiber is ideal for cold regions as it keeps the body warm and protects from cold climate.
Artificial fibers were discovered only a few hundred years back using chemicals like petroleum. Few examples of artificial fiber are rayon, polyester and nylon.
This is the timeline of artificial fiber. Rayon was discovered in 1885 AD. polyester in 1900 AD, and nylon in 1931 AD. Artificial fiber are also called man-made fiber. These are chemically processed fiber. Few artificial fiber are rayon, polyester, nylon, and terylene. These fibers are also called synthetic fibers. Clothes made from these fibers are light in weight, durable, and easy to clean. They do not absorb sweat. So, it is uncomfortable to wear synthetic clothes in summer. This girl is wearing a gown made from polyester.